Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain-Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that it looks like we got one step closer to avoid catastrophe in the United States as Biden and McCarthy reach final deal to prevent default. So what would be the next step now? Then the second thing is that more great news coming from Hong Kong, from China, more crypto-friendly things appear. And the third news is also interesting. Schiff surprises critics, dives into Bitcoin-backed NFT market. Well, that's interesting as well. So guys, all this in today's video. Don't forget, every day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important, then subscribe. You know, the topic is always crypto, blockchain, economy. And of course, if you like this kind of content, just hit the like button. So let's do it. Okay, so now how the market looks like, because we're seeing some green numbers. Bitcoin going up 2.6%, Ethereum 3%. With that, Ethereum 1,902, Bitcoin 27,906 US dollar. You know, in these kind of market circumstances, this looks pretty great. We have Injective going up 15%, Pancake Swap 12%, Moss Network 7%. And among the losers, the top three: Render Token 3% down, EOS 1% down, XDC Network 1% down, something like that. When we're looking at here, whoops, that's not the one. Yeah, okay, that's going to be the first topic anyway. So now we have reached here at 28,000. We were rejected by this level right now, but you know, this was a nice pump here on Sunday because of the news I'm going to discuss right now. So we will see, do we go further, you know, after little sideways movements and break out here and hitting to 30,000? This is what we're going to see, because this week a lot of interesting things can come out. So let's talk about those. Okay, and now the first topic, it's all about that Biden and McCarthy reach final deal to prevent default. So with, you know, days to spare before a potential first ever government default, President Joe Biden and House Speaker Kevin McCarthy reached a final agreement on Sunday. So this is the reason for the green candle on Sunday on a deal to rise the national debt ceiling. You know, everybody said this is probably going to happen, but you know, there was like, you know, a lot of question marks and some drama. So in order to ensure enough Republicans and Democrats vote to pass the measures in the coming week, which is actually this week. Yeah, so bottom line is now they must sell it to the Congress. So this is what going to coming up. This, I guess, should happen at least at latest this week. And you know, if this plays out, this can actually in short term definitely boost the market. Therefore, we can already see the green numbers. The other positive things are all coming from China and this kind of crypto-friendly movement from there, which is of course unusual when we're looking at the data from and the news from the last couple of years. Okay, so here we go. Huobi set to launch a trading service in Hong Kong. So we can see that exchanges opening up in Hong Kong. You know, Huobi announced the launch to Huobi Hong Kong and stated that they will provide cryptocurrency trading service to users in Hong Kong. Huobi Hong Kong will play a significant role in driving Hong Kong towards becoming global hub for Web3. Hong Kong has been gradually implementing crypto-friendly policies since the last year and recently announced the introduction of crypto regulations. As you know, I've talked about it already. The Hong Kong Security and Future Commission has also announced that more details regarding virtual asset trading regulation will come into light start the 1st of June. Just a couple of days to go until that, and retail investors may be able to trade digital assets on licensed platform as early as second half of this year. you know, these things we have already talked about, but this is another thing. And also CZ has posted, you know, here that interesting timing on this Web3 white paper from the Beijing government tech committee with the 1st of June anticipation in Hong Kong. There's more about it. You know, this paper includes, you know, NFTs, VR, AI, and so on and so forth. So towards Web3, very interesting what is forming right now in Hong Kong and China, which is definitely for crypto, at least now. This is how it looks like. Right, and now we have a surprise as Peter Schiff is getting into Bitcoin-backed NFTs. So we do know Peter Schiff, who is really for gold and really skeptical about Bitcoin, but it looks like that he's getting into Bitcoin-backed NFTs. So economist and ardent gold advocate Peter Schiff caused a stir on Friday by announcing his participation in an upcoming art sale featuring non-fungible tokens, so NFTs. These unique digital collectibles will be minted on the Bitcoin blockchain using ordinal inscription technology. But he also admitted that this is art and it's tribute to gold. But there is something here for Bitcoiners as well. But I'm still not a member of that club. Bottom line, continuing that it's really against Bitcoin. He said many times that Bitcoin going to zero. But now he starts to use this because this is art, this is something else. Anyway, this is how things start, you know, you opening up a little bit, then a bit more, then a bit more. Who knows what he's going to say, you know, in the next couple of years. We do know that at the very early stage, Mike Saylor was really not for Bitcoin, and now he's one of the guys the main guy who actually protecting and promoting Bitcoin and so on and so forth. So you never know. You never know. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important, then subscribe, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.